With Thanksgiving just a week away, we talked to a doctor about a respiratory virus that many don't want at the dinner table this year. News 12's Diane Caruso has that story.
You may be hearing about RSV more these days. It's a respiratory virus that can be dangerous in infants and seniors.
Turns out all the things that we've been doing to prevent COVID work to prevent other viruses like RSV as well.
Dr. Kristen Navarrete is a pediatrician with MVP Healthcare, which is headquartered in Tarrytown.
Those kids are now being exposed this year. As opposed to just having one smaller age group be exposed in 1 year, you're having multiple ages be exposed all at the same time, causing illness.
Locally, a doctor at Montefiore Nyack tells us they've had 149 patients test positive for RSV in the past month and a half, with cases doubling mid-October. A doctor at Maria Ferrari Children's Hospital telling us they've had 70 to 100 patients admitted over the past few weeks because of RSV and related conditions, with case numbers remaining steady since late summer and early fall. Dr. Navarrete isn't sure if the peak is behind us yet.
Viruses like to spread when people gather. So, I think that we've been seeing it rise. I think what happens over the next few weeks with the holidays will be really telling as to whether or not we've reached or passed a peak.
Here are some tips to best protect the health of the youngest and oldest at your holiday table, like the COVID era tips. Cover your mouth, wash your hands, and stay home when you're sick. Also, don't get too close.
That is how we spread diseases, is when we're up close, breathing on them, kissing on them, sharing those germs. And so in particular, I know it's very exciting when new babies are around, but it's important to keep your distance, particularly if you have any cold symptoms at all.
Dr. Navarrete also recommends taking advantage of virtual doctor's visits if you can. In West Nyack, Diane Caruso, News 12.